Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to translate text in Google Sheets using GPT. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Launch. To translate, we will use common English phrases and translate them to Spanish for this example. In the designated cell, type GPT_translate, open round bracket, then click the cell containing the text you want to translate, type comma, open quote, then type the target language, which is Spanish, type close quote, comma, open quote, then type the source language, which is English. Type close quote, then close round bracket. This will translate the text from English to Spanish. Press Enter. You can repeat the process for each phrase. So, that is how you translate text in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.